But beneath the decay, a promise of resurrection waits, a masterpiece reborn.
Extraction begins. Careful hands lift the Bugatti onto a flatbed, tension in the air.
Transported to the workshop, the vehicle's weight feels heavier, with hidden challenges ahead. Inspection starts. Dents, rust, and warped panels reveal decades of neglect. Even the engine whispers its surrender, seized components locked in silent refusal.
Each wheel removed exposes suspension bones, weary but resilient, awaiting rebirth.
Sandblasting begins, sparks dancing, stripping decades of grime to bare metal.
Panels reveal hidden imperfections, challenging even seasoned restoration experts. Engine teardown continues. Pistons and crankshafts are cleaned, polished, and meticulously aligned. Transmission rebuild uncovers worn gears. Precision is the only remedy for survival.
Interior disassembly reveals torn leather and faded dashboards, memories of opulent drives.
Wiring is frayed, connections broken, a silent network demanding careful revival.
Body panels are aligned precisely, every seam a whisper of original elegance.
Paint layers begin, subtle metallic shades recalling the car's cinema icon glory.
Engine is reassembled, every bolt torqued, every part harmonized for ultimate performance.
Exhaust systems refitted, pipes gleam, ready to sing again with roaring authority.
Hidden corrosion in the frame surfaces, threatening structural integrity of the classic icon.
Steering components rebuilt, precision restored to every joint and ball bearing.
Brake lines replaced, hydraulic systems bled for safety and flawless stopping power.
Suspension refinished, shocks and springs regain original tension, ready to conquer roads. Wheels fitted, vintage tires carefully selected to match era authenticity.
Fiberglass finish sanded, curves now flawless, reflecting overhead lights with subtle shimmer.
Body panels reunited, alignment exact, elegance returning after decades of decay.
Engine bay painted, gleaming in deep metallic hues, awaiting final assembly.
Chrome details polished. Handles, grills, and badges shine like museum pieces.
Upholstery restored. Leather and stitching returned to original cinema luxury standards.
Dashboard revived, gauges calibrated, telling a story of precision engineering.
Glass panels cleaned, every windshield and window now crystal clear and flawless.
Hidden wiring tucked, electronics prepared for modern functionality without altering classic charm.
Engine test begins. Vibrations measured, sounds analyzed, every motion precise.
Exhaust note refined, the car finally speaks in deep, authoritative tones.
Body polish continues. Mirror-like shine returns to every panel and curve.
Chrome accents fitted, emblem restored, final touches revealing original iconic silhouette.
This is a fictional story, created for entertainment only. All characters, vehicles, and events are entirely fictional for storytelling purposes.
Any resemblance to real restoration projects or vehicles is purely coincidental.
Final engine adjustments made. Every component harmonized for flawless performance.
Transmission synchronized, acceleration will now honor the Bugatti's legendary heritage.
Brake calibration complete. Stopping power restored to museum quality standards.
Suspension fine-tuned, car now poised elegantly on restored wheels.
Interior leather conditioned. Cabin exudes craftsmanship and vintage sophistication.
Dashboard gauges tested. Every dial and needle precise, telling time accurately.
Steering checked. Every joint responsive, returning control to the driver's hands.
Hidden panel rust repaired, structural integrity finally restored. Exhaust tuning finalized, note deep, authoritative, echoing legacy of classic Bugatti.
Wheels and tires polished, era accurate, ready to support final reveal.
Engine fires smoothly, vibrations minimal, every component harmonized perfectly.
Bodywork inspected, every seam aligned, curves flawless, paint mirror-like. Interior aroma restored. Leather, polish, and craftsmanship fill the cabin. Lights polished. Headlights glow softly, hinting at past cinema glory.
Exhaust note, tuned to perfection, reverberates with vintage authority.
Final detailing complete. Every curve, badge, and trim restored flawlessly.
Jet turbine test performed. Raw power now contained. Awe-inspiring energy.
Engine hums steadily, every component synchronized, ready for museum display.
Wheels roll freely. Suspension responds with grace and authority.
Interior refined, stitching flawless, leather conditioned. Cabin exudes elegance.
Dashboard needles steady, every gauge precise, every reflection perfect.
Final engine check. Vibrations minimal, note perfectly tuned. Lights and signals tested. All electrical systems fully functional.
Body polish finished, mirror-like paint reflecting restored glory.
Chrome accents gleaming. Every badge, grille, and trim pristine.
Engine cover closed. Bay immaculate, showcasing perfect restoration craftsmanship.
Wheels aligned, tires perfect, ready to support the iconic frame.
Cabin spotless, every detail attended. Luxury restored to original standard. Exhaust note rich and deep, classic sound now alive. Suspension tested, car responds with smooth elegance on every surface.
Engine started, hum steady, power ready to honor cinematic legacy.
Bodywork flawless, every seam, curve, and paint detail perfect. Interior complete, seats, dashboard, and controls pristine, ready for display.
Steering precise, brakes responsive, suspension flawless, car ready for final reveal.
Engine roars softly, the Bugatti breathe again, majestic and commanding.
Final polish complete. Reflections mirror the perfection restored after decades.
Every detail honored, the car stands as a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
Witness this transformation. Like, Subscribe, share. Elegance reborn for eternity.